Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products on the market. Today, we have a special treat for you: the Passau Sound Bars for TV speaker, a 22-inch powerhouse with a lot to offer. Stick around as we dive deep into its features and performance. Let's talk about the most important aspect of any soundbar: the sound quality. The Passau soundbar boasts 60 W of power with dual full-range drivers. This means you'll get clear and crisp audio with a strong bass, mids that shine, and treble that's bright. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or enjoying your favorite music, this soundbar delivers a true cinematic experience right in your living room. What sets the Passau soundbar apart is its 5 EQ sound modes. You can choose from dialogue, movie, music, game, and 3D modes to tailor the audio to your preference. These modes ensure that you never miss a single line of dialogue or a beat in your favorite song. Plus, the large chamber acoustic design minimizes sound loss, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. This soundbar offers hassle-free connectivity. You have 4 ways to connect your devices: Bluetooth, USB, 3.5mm aux, and HDMI. No more dealing with a mess of cables and complex operations. Just pick your preferred method, and you're good to go. And yes, they even include an HDMI cable in the package for your convenience. The LED display on the front of the soundbar shows your current connection mode and volume level, keeping you informed at all times. Plus, this soundbar's compact size, at just 22.4 inches, makes it a perfect fit for your TV, PC, laptop, or even your projector. It's ideal for your living room or bedroom setup. Finally, you have 2 convenient ways to control the soundbar. There's a remote control included, with 2 AAA batteries provided, so you can adjust settings while lounging on your sofa. And don't forget, Passau offers lifetime technical support, so any questions or issues you have will be promptly addressed. In conclusion, the Passau soundbars for TV speaker brings you powerful sound quality, versatile EQ sound modes, easy connectivity options, a clear LED display, and convenient control methods. It's an excellent addition to any home audio setup, delivering a truly immersive experience. Unfortunately, it's currently unavailable, but keep an eye out for when it's back in stock. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time with more exciting product reviews. Until then, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.